I'm a mechanic, 45 years. Let me introduce you to a really cool work light. It works off of a Milwaukee M12 battery. However, you can get it in DeWalt 12 volt or Snap-on 14.4. Uses a suction cup to the glass anywheres on the windshield glass. Can also work inside the car on the door glass or window glass or sunroof glass. And then you have a 36-inch long flexible metal gooseneck, as you can see right here. And I'm going to turn the light on right here. And there's your 1300 lumens of light. I'm just finishing up a job on this Mercedes where I did coils and plugs. But I mean, look at the cool articulation on this light. Put it any way you want in the engine bay. If you wanted to work all the way up front, you could just slide the suction cup down like where it's touching the wipers. But the articulation is just off the hook. This will go in any direction you want and it'll stay there. You want to go down to the back of the motor and have the light stay? There you go. You want to move to the other side? Put it down over there. There you go. Ain't no light anywhere like Goose-Grip. You can find this and 3 other unique work lights on Goose-Grip.com. Check it out.